So I've restarted the application and I've deleted everything that we had in the application. Now I'm going to create a new user. So let's have such a user. Okay, I must get a message with confirmation. So I'm going to my console. I see this message. I'm opening it and I'm logging in. So I've logged in. Okay, now I am the only user in the application and there aren't any courses created. And what we are going to do in this lesson is learn how to create roles for different users. So we are going to have three kinds of users. There are going to be admins, there are going to be teachers, and there are going to be students. Admins can do everything and see everything. Students can not create courses, but they can only learn and see courses, and teachers cannot see analytics, cannot see the list of all users, cannot delete courses that don't belong to them, but they can create courses. So for this, we're going to use two gems, the Rollify gem and Pandit gem. So gem Rollify. This gem is a gem that we are going to use to give users roles. So a user can have many roles, and it's not going to be just a boolean as admin true. And gem Pandit. So Pandit is an authorization gem, meaning that we can give each controller action a permission. So for example, only admins and teachers can create courses, only admins can delete courses, only students can view courses. It's, I'd say, something more comfortable than the can gem. So let's go ahead and install these gems. We're taking gem Rollify and go into the gem file. And bundle. Okay, next we're going to generate Rollify for the user. Now let's see what it gave us. So it's inserting something to user RB. Let's see what it gave us in user RB. So it added this Rollify thing for the user. I'll just put it on the device. Then it gave us a role model. So let's go here and see role.rb. Now it didn't appear here. I'm going to refresh the application. So now we can see the role model. What else did it give us? It created a Rollify initializer, so rollify.rb. And it created a migration. So let's have a look at the migration. So in this table, we are going to have all the roles that we have in the application, because in theory, not only a user can have a role, but any other model can also have a role. Looks okay. Now let's just make this look a bit better. Okay, let's run the migrations. RakeDB migrate. So here we have this error. We're going to try to make it not just an active record migration, but 6.0. Let's try RakeDB migrate. Okay, it worked this time. So let's go to our console. Rails console. User count. So let's see how this gem works. Let's go to the methods. So let's add a role admin to the user. Let's see. We're going to delete this. We're going to set the first user as user. Now we are going to add a role admin. And let's check. So does the user have an admin role? Yes, he does. Okay, so now users can be given an admin role. Now let's see some more methods that Rollify suggests us to use. So it suggests us to give a role to a user as after he's created. So let's go to the user. So after create assign default role, and he's going to be given a role as a student. Okay, now let's try creating one new user. We're going to do it in our application. So we are starting the Rails server. Sign up. Okay. Let's confirm the account. Let's sign in. Okay, we've signed in, and we want to see whether the user is whether the user has a role. We are going to make it visual. We're going to add this visibility to our users. So let's go to user. We're going to go to the views, users, user. So we will add one more footer. And in the footer, we'll have something like user roles, each do role. And here we're going to have role name. So let's see if it works. Okay, so we see that the new user that we've just created was given a student role, and the first user was given an admin role still in the console. So we just managed to assign a default role when a user was created. Now we're going to make this a bit more advanced. So we'll make the code look like this. Basically, I'll explain it now. So basically, if the very first user was created in the application, he will be an admin. So if you create the application and there's nobody there yet, you'll be an admin. Otherwise, the admin role can be added only through the console. As well, the user will be a teacher and a student. Otherwise, each user that is created will be a teacher and a student, so that anybody who logs in can both view courses and create courses. That's how it's going to be. Now we can try creating one more user. Sign up. Let's make example 2. Okay, now we're going to our console once more to confirm our email. So confirm, confirm. We've logged in, and let's see all our users. We see that the new user was given 2 roles, a student role and a teacher role. Now let's just make it look a bit better. So badge info, just like this. So in this lesson, we learned how to add roles to users using the gem Rollify.